Hello traders, welcome to our channel Trading Floor. If you are new to our video, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon for more updates. If you wish to join our Telegram channel, please click on the link given in the description. Here in this video, we will be going to look into Kite application. So here we will be going in a simple way so that maximum viewers can understand it. And once you logged in the application, we can see watch list. We can see a list of stocks in watch list, whichever we will be adding to the watch list. Those we can see here, and see, this is watch list 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So if you want to add any stock to your favorites, so that you can observe it frequently, then you can add it to a watch list. Suppose for example, here I'm searching it for TCS. Yeah, I got this TCS share, so I'm clicking on add it. So this will be added in your watch list. See here, TCS got added in the watch list 1. So this is about watch list, and on the top of the watch list we have Nifty 50 and Sensex. Here we have two pins. You can also replace it with other stocks, like in the place of Nifty 50 I want star. So here, after clicking more options, here pin, so I will be selecting slot 1 or 2. This is called slot 1 and this is called slot 2. So on star, more, I need this star in the place of Nifty 50, so I am selecting slot 1. Done. So here in the slot 1, I got star as a stock. And for each watch list, we can add about 50 stocks. So you can filter your stocks and you can add it to your watch list. And also we can rename the watch list. Like suppose if you keep all the bank stocks in watch list 2, then you can rename your watch list 2 as bank stocks. Next, this is the orders tab. Once we click in the orders tab, we will be having these sub tabs, and in orders we can have a detailed information regarding orders which we have placed, that is buy order or sell order, and which is pending and also executed. Pending means placed but not executed, and executed orders come like completed or cancelled orders. And GTT means good till triggered. We will get in detail in the end of the video. And the next is holdings tab. Here we can have a look of all the equity stocks that we are holding for more than 1 day, and their detailed information. Suppose in this I am holding Aurum. So here this is a quantity. I am holding a quantity of 2, and the average cost which I have bought is 71.80, and last traded price for this Aurum is 146, and the current value 292. So current value means current value of investment 292. The first which I have invested is 143, and P&L is net profit or loss. So I am the profit of 148 rupees. That is net change, that is 100% profit I am holding. And in the position tab, we can see all the orders executed today, that is equity, options, and futures. In simply, we can say like all the intraday holdings will be seen here. Next is a funds tab. Here we can see two buttons, that is add funds and withdraw. Here we can add and withdraw our funds, and we can see our available margin, available cash, and used margin. And we can also download the detailed view, and also we can also download the detailed statement of our funds. Now we are going to see how to place an order. So suppose if I want to place an order in Axis Bank, then this is a buy button and this is a sell button, and this is to know about the market depth and the fundamentals. If you click here, see, this is a detailed information regarding Axis Bank, and this is to view the chart of the Axis Bank. To delete from the watch list, we can click on here. In more, we can have these options, that is create GTT, create alert, chart, fundamentals, and technicals. So on clicking fundamentals, we will have detailed information of the Axis Bank company, its growth and returns, and their events, and news regarding Axis Bank. Next one is create GTT. Create GTT we will be knowing in detail in later. So create alert is like currently Axis Bank is running at 764. So I want to get an alert if price goes down till 700. So I will create an alert for this, so that once the price triggered 700, I will be getting an alert. And to view the chart, this is a pop out. To buy a share in Axis Bank, click on the buy button, and here you can enter the quantity, price at which we want to buy the shares. So next we have two options, that is intraday or long term. Intraday has a validity of 1 day, that is by the end of the day you need to sell the stock, and long term is cash and carry. CNC means cash and carry. We can select this option when we want to hold shares for more than 1 day, that is delivery shares. And MIS is margin intraday square off, that is we select this option for intraday trading. And in long term, first we'll be going to see regular, that is CNC long term. Here the kind of order is regular, and we can place a market order and also a limit order. Market order means we can't edit the price. Here share will be bought at current market price. And limit, whereas in limit we can buy the shares at our desired price. Here Axis Bank is running at 764. So when we place a market order, it will be bought at 764, but I want to buy at 770 or 760. So I will be placing a limit order, and here I will enter the price, that is 760. So whenever the share gets price of 760, then order will get executed. And SL and SLM. So here we have two options, that is SL and SLM. Here SL means stop loss, that is by using stop loss we can save our capital from loss if price goes down suddenly. Suppose I bought it for 764.7 and I don't want to lose my capital, so I will be placing a stop loss of 760. Once the price gets down, it will be sold automatically at 760, so that I can save my capital from huge loss. SLM is where we can buy at market price with stop loss, like market price, that is we can't edit the entering price, and we can exit the order at stop loss, that is SLM. So this is all about regular order, that is MIS and CNC. Now we will be going to cover the cover order. In cover order we can get high leverage here, so setting a stop loss is mandatory here, like in cover order if we want to buy at market, then we can't enter the market buy price, and if you want to buy with at a particular price, so we can select the limit option and you can enter the price. And stop loss trigger price also will be there. Setting a stop loss is mandatory here. So if I bought at 764.7, I will be putting a stop loss of 760. And for cover order, validity is a day validity. And the next type of order is AMO, that is after market order for the next day. So for the next day meaning is, if we want to place an order after completion of market hours, then we will be going to AMO. So now we will be placing an order now, and this particular order will be executed in the next day. So this is all about regular order, cover order, and AMO, that is after market order. So once we will be selecting all the options, we will be clicking on buy, so that order will be bought. Next we'll be going to see about GTT, that is good till triggered. Very interesting topic. So GTT is of two types, that is buy GTT and also sell GTT. GTT can be placed when we want to buy a long-term stock at required price, that is at a desired price. So once I select buy option, trigger type is single, and here this is a trigger price, that is if Axis Bank now it is running at 764.00 and I want to buy this for 700, so I'll be placing a trigger at 710. So whenever the price reaches 710, it will get triggered and the order gets activated but not executed. And here quantity of shares which I want to buy and price. So as I told you, I want to buy the stock at 700. So trigger means the order gets activated at 710 and it gets executed when it reaches 700 with the desired quantity which we have selected. In the same way, we can select for cell type also. It is running at 764, so the highest price above 764. Let it be 800 trigger price. And here I want to select 810. So once the trigger price has been triggered, then order gets activated, and once it reaches G810, then it will be getting sold. On clicking place, the GTT will be placed. And the validity for GTT is 1 year. And one more thing, like if I have placed a trigger price at 770 and sell price at 780, if order gets today, if today price reached to 770, so order will get activated, but it doesn't reach 780, so it will be cancelled. Order will get activated, but it will be not executed, so it will get cancelled. So guys, this is regarding the kite application in this video. If you like this video, please do like and share our video and subscribe our channel for more information. Thank you for watching.